go ahead and single crochet in each stitch across.
Sigourney, Sigourney, how's your macaroni?
Hey guys, and welcome back. I can't believe that we are on week 4 of the Cheaters Gingham Blanket Cal. I am so excited to get this blanket finished, and I hope you are too. So here is what my blanket looks like so far. And hopefully yours either looks similar or just as beautiful with your own colors. Today we are going to go over the border of this blanket. I was thinking about doing something a little fancy for the border, nothing too crazy, but it turns out I didn't have enough yarn. So I'm just going to show you how to make a simple single crochet border for this blanket. And because there's so much going on with this blanket already, a simple border makes the perfect finishing touch. So first things first, you want to make sure that your blanket is facing right side up. When you look at the right side, your seaming should be less noticeable, and you can see the front side of your stitches on the top row. Now for this simple border, we're going to start in the top right-hand corner. So here we are. We have our first stitch here. We're going to insert our hook, grab your yarn, and pull it through. Now we're going to chain 1 and single crochet into that very first stitch. And go ahead and single crochet in each stitch across. And I'm going to be crocheting over this end here for a couple stitches. Oh, and I forgot to mention that we're using color B for the border. Okay, so now that we've single crocheted in each stitch across, we're just going to jump on over to this side here. So we're going to just head straight into that very first stitch of the next square and then single crochet in each stitch across. All right, so again, we've reached the last stitch here and we're just going to single crochet into the first stitch of the next square. So just continue single crocheting in each stitch across and I will meet you at the corner. Now, once we reach the end of the row, we're going to place 2 single crochet into this last stitch. Then we're going to turn our work and work on the side of the blanket. So we're going to single crochet at the end of this first row here. And then we're going to single crochet at the end of this row with the chain 2 on the edge. Now in between this row and the next row, we're going to single crochet into this space here. And then single crochet at the end of the next row. Single crochet at the end of the next row with the chain 2. And then in between the next 2 rows. So we're basically single crocheting at the end of each row, but after you single crochet around the chain 2, we're going to single crochet in between those 2 rows. I hope that makes sense, but this is how we're going to make sure that our edges are nice and even without making the stitches too close together. So just continue this pattern all the way around the blanket, placing 3 single crochet in each corner. So I will meet you back at the end of this blanket, and I hope you're just excited as I am to be completely done. All right, guys, well, that is it for the Cheaters Gingham Blanket Cal. Here's a look at our finished blanket, all up close and personal. I still have some ends to weave in, but you can see for the most part what our blanket looks like, and I cannot wait to see your finished blankets. So keep sending them, keep posting them on social media, share them as projects on Ravelry, and tag me anywhere you go because I have loved seeing all of your progress photos, and now I'm ready to see your finished blanket. If you're not finished with your blanket yet, don't worry, it will be on the blog forever, so just take your time. If you'd like to make more blankets in different colors, because I know I do have an inexpensive PDF that you can purchase that's actually 18 pages long. It has all of the information for the blanket, how to resize your blanket, how to use different colors, how to substitute your yarn, all of the color alternatives, and a blank schematic where you can color it in and choose your very own colors. So if you're interested in that, I will leave a link in the description box below, and I've decided to extend the coupon code for 25% off until next week. So if you'd like to take advantage of that coupon code, you have until next week. And I just wanted to take a quick minute to say thank you so much for showing up for this KAL. I had so much fun. I hope you did too, and I definitely want to do this again in the future. So thank you again for coming on this journey with me, and if you enjoyed the KAL, leave a comment in the description box below telling me what colors you used, who you made your blanket for, and if you've ever crocheted a blanket this way before. All right, I will see you next time.